Hello friends. So again we are starting with the same topic, that is Boolean algebra logic gates, and myself Dr. M. Nilesh, Assistant Professor and Head Department of Electronics, Sri Mathura Das Mohta College of Science, Nagpur. Now I'm going to present you the second part of these gates, Boolean algebra and logic gates we have studied earlier. The first universal gate is and why they are called as universal gates are because all the gates can be built by using these universal gates, that is NAND and NOR. So first we will start with the NAND gate as the universal gate and how to use this NAND gate to build a NOT gate. Now the simple construction is shown over here and the hints are also provided. The NOT gate, as we all know that it has only one input and it has only one output but in case of NAND gate we are having two inputs and one output. So what we have to do is we have to club this two inputs and make it a one input, that is A, and the output is Q. So we will have a truth table like A and Q, and when we apply 0 over here, so both the inputs B and C will become 0 and the output of that will give you 1. When we apply here 1, both the inputs of B and C will be 1, then the output of Q will be 0. So this is how a universal gate can be converted into a NOT gate. We are now trying to understand how to use a NAND gate to build an OR gate. Now this is a little bit tricky. Now in which in the earlier ones what we have done is we have substituted NOT gate in front of the NAND gate to get AND gate, and now what we have to do is we have to create two NOT gates and we have to give the output of these two NOT gates to the next AND gate, and we might get the OR gate. Now see how it works. So this is the A input which is given to the NOT gate made by NAND. Similarly B is the another input, so again given to the NAND, and C and D are the outputs of these two NOT gates, and they are fed to the third AND gate, and the output, the last ultimate output is Q. Now seeing at the inputs, if we apply 0 0 to this, the output of this will be equal to 1 and 1. So the input of NAND gate will give you 1 and 1. So 1 and 1 will give you 0. Similarly, when we apply 0 and 1 to these gates, we will get 1 and 0, and the output of 1 and 0 is the 1. So if you go similarly to all the possible options, you will be able to find that this the output of this is equal to similar to the OR gate, and this is how this works as an OR gate. So NAND gate can be built to perform OR gate. Similarly, for NAND gate to build a NOR gate, now OR gate you have studied already, and just putting a NOT gate made by this in front of the OR gate, we will get a NAND gate. As you know that this is the basic concept of NOR, that if NOT gate is put in front of OR gate, then it becomes a NOR. So similarly, this is for NOR gate. Now the second, that is the universal gate, which is we call it as the NOR gate. How to use NOR gate to build a NOT gate? Now similarly, as we have done it in NAND gate, if you club both the inputs of NOR gate and apply give it to 1, so this will act as NOT gate. This is similar to the NAND gate itself. Now second is the use of NOR gate to build an OR gate. So if you put NOT gate in front of the NOR gate, you will get the OR gate. So OR plus NOT will give you NOR, and NOR plus again NOT will give you again OR. So this is the combination of that. So in front of the NOR gate, if you put a NOT gate made of NOR, then it will give you the output as OR gate. So this is the use of NOR gate to build OR gates. The second one is NOR gate to build an AND gate. So as we have done it earlier, to build OR gate using NAND, what we have done is we have made the NOT gates using NAND. Similarly, here also we are going to make NOT gates of NOR, and then we have to apply it to the another NOT gate like this, and it will give you the output of AND gate as shown over here in this figure. So we have made two gates, A and B are the inputs of two NOT gate made by using NOR gate. The output is C and D, and these are fed to the third NOR gate, and the output of this is Q. And if you go to the truth tables, you will be able to find that the output Q is equivalent to the AND gate. Similarly, the last one is the NOR gate to you build a NAND gate. So NAND gate can be built by putting a NOT gate in front of AND gate. So and this is a full AND gate which is made up of 3 NOR gates, and again if you put a NOT gate in front of this, you will be able to get NAND gate. So this is the truth table, and this is how it works. So that is why these all circuits, these all gates, NAND and NOR, are called as universal gates. So thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe, and take care, and be healthy.